so this weekend we're in Tijuana, and my DTS is building a house for a lovely family. So when we got here yesterday, it was just this concrete slab, and today it's a house. It's not finished yet, but let's walk around and see what it looks like. You can hear them hammering and everything. Here's where the family was living before. This is their land and everything. There's another little spot where some of them were living. And here's their new house. So we're still working on roofing and trimming, but here's a little peek at what's going on inside. It's gonna look like this. There's the roof. Those things right there, I made those. I cut them with a skill saw, if you can believe that, and then hammered that in right there. And then they went up and put them on the roof. So here's the inside. We just built it in these 2 days. They're just finishing up with the drywall, and then they'll be able to move the family in. We're really excited. Here's another house that the Homes of Hope people built. It's her daughter's house, and we're really excited. Here's the family over here. The mom and her daughter and her brother, or daughter and son, and then she has another little girl, which I don't know where she is. But we're having a good time, so here's what we've been doing. Woohoo!